Alright, so this is my video of where I've got to for removing everything. So I just want everyone to, if anyone sees I'm missing anything or something's wrong, like, let me know so I don't fuck up. This is all the data cables there. You can see here, they're all disconnected. That's where that plastic plate's at that I picked off, which was easier than I thought. So this is running to the coolant. That one's the oil. It looks like the sensor's falling down, but there was one for the sport exhaust that clipped in there. And then over there, and what there is, I think it's called the AOS sensor, which is right there. So that one came apart. Move over here. So this is the AC compressor, which I cannot figure out how to get apart. Which you can see there. This is the bolt there, and maybe the bolt on each side. I'll make a separate video on just that. So we'll come around, we'll start over here. So over here we've got I'm not actually sure what that line is. I think it's for the clutch. So you can also see right there, got disconnected. There's the axle. And you can also see up there somewhere is the shifter cable. I don't know if you can see it there. That's taken out. All the rest of the stuff under the transmission is removed, all the sway bars and whatnot. This was fun. Finding the torque screw inside. That took forever. Here you can see the carnage of broken bolts. I talked about that earlier. Appreciate you guys for giving me hints on how to do this, because otherwise it'd take twice as long. We'll move along right over here. So all these lines are disconnected. So up there's the two fuel lines, and then these are, I believe, the power steering lines. And I'm not 100%, but I'm gonna go with the brake fluid line for this one. It's disconnected, and then you can see those three lines there. They don't go through the engine, so I did not disconnect them. Over here is the coolant lines, and then you guys can confirm for me the right bolts to take apart to drop the engine for the engine mount. I'm fairly certain that they are. Well, I'm not going to go with fairly certain. That one, and the other side. One over there, and one a little further, but on this here. And then for the transmission side, I'm sure the ones I take out are that one, and that one. So that's not right. Anyhow. So I'm sure you can appreciate this sweet ass barn I'm taking apart my car in. On this side, same thing with the shifter cable. Then this cable here, which connected up there, if you can see, maybe that was for the backup indicator. Back here, not a whole lot. You can see all the undercarriage stuff is disconnected. Over here, got all these coolant lines disconnected and covered. Same with there. And then I'm pretty sure this was a ground cable of sorts that connected right there. There was also, yeah, this here was connected to the frame, and there was the same one on the other side, so I took that off as well. What other important stuff I have to take apart? And then you can see in here this is called the scavenger fan down there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I disconnected the cable, the power cable that runs to that fan. That's it. So the last thing is just that AC compressor, which I cannot figure out how to disconnect for the life of me. So any help there would be awesome. Thanks.